Hey there everyone, welcome to the UXF channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial for a chord melody arrangement of simple gifts that I have available on my website, which is uxstuff.info. I will first of all talk a little bit about what chord melody is, then I will demonstrate it on GCEA ukulele, then I'll demonstrate it on DGBE ukulele, and then I'll do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele and then a tutorial for DGBE ukulele. I just want to remind you, if you want to support the work here on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. And I'll also mention that at my Buy Me a Coffee page, you can also buy my arrangements for hymns and for carols. All right, first of all, what is chord melody? Chord melody is a way of playing with just your thumb generally, with your right hand, playing chords and notes that end up making a melody and harmony at the same time. It's a great first step after you have mastered just strumming and singing and want to let your ukulele do more. Now let's begin with a demonstration on GCEA ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight Nighthawk concert ukulele. All right, for DGBE, I'll be using this instrument. This is not a baritone ukulele. It's a concert ukulele with Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it. Incidentally, just recently as I recorded this, Pepe Romero Jr. just recently recorded sort of a commercial on TikTok about these strings, and he says that you can use them in concert and tenor, which is what I have done, so I can play baritone tuning without having to deal with a larger stretch. Generally, I play concert. This allows me to keep that same stretch with baritone DGBE tuning. Now let's go into a tutorial for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. It doesn't matter whether you play linear or reentrant ukulele. Linear would be low G, reentrant would be high G. I write in a way so that the melody stays on the top three strings, and this can be played by either linear or reentrant GCEA or DGBE ukulele. Now what you have to do is you have to be able to look at tablature and figure out which string you're playing. Again, it's strings 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you look at the tablature, it's 4, 3, 2, 1 going up. We start with 2 open third strings. Then most of your F chord playing strings 4, 3, and 2. String 2, first fret, third fret. D minor chord. Keep your finger on the second string, first fret. Open first string, first fret of the first string. Then an A minor chord, where you're going to actually play the C chord at the same time. So you're going to take your ring finger and play the first string, third fret. Lift up the second finger, first finger, F chord. Second string, third fret, first fret. Now, a C chord, we're going to do this quite a bit in the song. You're going to do a C chord built on the second string, third fret, and walking up to the third string, fourth fret, and the fourth string, fifth fret. And just play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, that C chord again. Now, put down your pinky on the third string, fifth fret, then that C chord again, first string open, second string, third fret, which you're already at, let go. Play the second string and then strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string, F chord most of it. Let go of the second string, first fret, put it back, add the third fret, D minor chord, back to the second string, third fret, A minor chord, C7, F chord with a pinky on the first string, third fret. Repeat the first string. After a hold, that's a fermata there, which means you hold it. And now back to that C chord again that we built on the second string, third fret. Repeat the second string, F chord, back to the C chord. Repeat it again on the second string, third fret. Then the F chord playing strings 4, 3, and 2. The B flat chord playing strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string. Then the F chord playing strings 4, 3, and 2. Okay, measure 9. Full F chord with the pinky on the first string, third fret. Now a D minor chord, second string, third fret, full F chord, first string, first fret, first string open, second string, third fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, third fret, F chord, first string open, first string, first fret, F chord with the pinky on the first string, third fret. First string, first fret, first string open, that C chord again, second string, first string, that C chord again, let go, play the third string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. D minor, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, third fret, A minor chord, first string open, first string, first fret, F chord with the pinky on the first string, third fret, first string, first fret, first string open, C chord that we've been working with, repeat the second string, full F chord again, back to the C chord again, repeat the second string, then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, B flat, strings 4, 3, and 2, and then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Simple Gifts on GCEA soprano, concert, tenor, ukulele, either linear or reentrant tune. Now let's take a look at baritone. All right, for DGBE ukulele, let's begin. We are going to be playing generally parts of chords. There's a few full chords, but you've got to be able to play just like strings 4, 3, and 2. Sometimes just 2 strings or whatever. So when I say play strings 4, 3, and 2, that means play strings 4, 3, and 2, and generally it's all with the thumb. All right, we're going to start off with the third string open, playing 2 notes. Then a C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, go to the second string, third fret, A minor chord, second string, first fret, first string open, first string, first fret. Now an E minor chord, except you're going to play the first string, third fret at the same time. Lift up the first finger, then first string, first fret, and then a C chord. Second string, third fret, second string, first fret. Now a G chord, we're going to come to this a lot in this song. So when I say that other G chord, that's what I'm going to talk about here. You're going to build it off of the third fret on the second string and just waterfall down. And it's third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret down the strings. And that's a different location of the G chord. So you're going to play that chord, repeat the second string, the chord again, add your pinky to the third string, fifth fret, play that, lift it up, that other G chord again, first string open, second string, third fret, lift your hand off, second string open, and then strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift your finger off on the second string, add it back, add the third fret on that second string, D minor chord, second string, third fret, 2 of those, E minor, G7, C chord with the pinky. That's a fermata, so you hold it. Then you repeat the first string. That other G chord. Repeat the second string twice. Full C chord, come back. Repeat the second string, then part of the C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. The F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, and then C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. All right, we are now at measure 9, full C chord, but you add the pinky to the first string, 3rd fret. A minor chord, second string, 3rd fret, C chord. First string, 1st fret, first string open, second string, 3rd fret, then the C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, 3rd fret, full C chord, first string open, first string, 1st fret, C chord again with the pinky. First string, 1st fret, first string open, G chord, that other G chord, repeat the second string, first string open, strings 4, 3, and 2 again of that G chord, lift up, 3rd string open. Now, we're in the bottom line. This is measure 13. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. A minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, 3rd fret, E minor chord. First string open, first string, 1st fret. C chord with the pinky on the first string, 3rd fret. Now, first string, 1st fret, first string open. G chord, that other G chord. Repeat the second string, full C chord. Back to the G chord. Repeat the second string, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Simple Gift on DGBE baritone ukulele. All right, thanks again for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of my arrangement of Simple Gifts, which is available for free at ukestuff.info. Just look under my tabs and you'll see it there, listed alphabetically, both for GCEA and DGBE ukulele. And again, don't forget that my materials are also available for purchase at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Thanks again for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.